Good morning, student. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to revise you chapter number 1 from class 6, and that is kinds of sentences. Actually, we will do all the exercise from this chapter. Okay, so first of all, we will repeat definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make sense. Okay, so whenever we are telling something, if our sentence is making sense, that will be a sentence. Okay, all sentences begin with capital letters, so it is necessary that a sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay, so there are four kinds of sentences. Okay, assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So assertive sentences has two parts: first affirmative and negative. Okay, we all know that. Imperative sentence, we give command and order and advice in imperative sentences. Interrogative sentences, we use to ask question. And exclamatory sentences, we express our sudden thought or feeling. Okay, so we all know about four kinds of sentences. So what is a assertive sentence? Simply state something. Assertive sentences also known as declarative sentences. Okay, every assertive sentence ends with a full stop. For example, I will go to school tomorrow. Actually, we are asserting something in this sentence. This is a statement. I will go to school tomorrow. This will start with capital letter I should be in capital and end with full stop. Okay, I always speak the truth. This is a declarative sentence. Okay, we are declaring here something. Okay, this is declarative sentence. So imperative sentence, make requests or give commands. Okay, and advice. Okay, example, please pass me that book. Interrogative sentence, ask question. Every interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Okay, if we are not putting question mark at the end, that will be wrong. An exclamatory sentence, express strong or sudden feelings. Every exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, though you can see here exclamation mark like this we should put at the end of the sentence. Okay, for example, what a beautiful rose. So we can see that exclamation mark is put here. Oh, what a pity, what a pity. So exclamation mark is also there. So it is necessary to put exclamation marks after the end of the sentence. Okay, if we are not doing this, that will be wrong. Now we will do exercise number A. Say whether these sentences are assertive, imperative, exclamatory, or interrogative. If sentence is assertive, we have to write A. For imperative, I. For exclamatory, E. And interrogative, IN. Okay, so now look at the first sentence. Is it too early to leave for the station? Now this sentence begins with helping verb is. Actually there are two types of interrogative sentence. Okay, first begins with helping verb, second begins with WH word. So this interrogative sentence begins with is, so we will write IN because IN for interrogative. Okay, now stop playing and finish the work. Second sentence is stop playing and finish the work. Actually this is an example of imperative because no subject is there. Subject is you, but you is hidden. So whenever we see in the sentence no subject is there and we are giving command or advice or anything else, okay, request, okay, so that will be imperative sentence. For that we will write I. Third, I will be able to return tomorrow. So this is an example of assertive sentence because this is a statement. So this will be an example of assertive sentence. Okay, now fourth one, what a beautiful view. Now what a beautiful view. Now this is an example of, and we can see exclamation mark is here. Okay, so this will be an example of exclamatory sentence. Okay, so we will write E here. How many shoes did you sell today? Actually this, so now this sentence begins with how. How also used in interrogative sentence. Okay, other than WH words. So this will be an example of interrogative sentence. Okay, for interrogative we wrote IN here. Okay, please wait for me now. Please wait for me. No subject is here. You can see no subject is here. Subject is you, but that is hidden. So this is an example of imperative. So for imperative we will write I. Okay. Now, what kept you busy for so long? So now again WH word came into the picture. So now WH word, it means this is an example of interrogative sentence. So for interrogative sentence we wrote IN here. Next is Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. So now this is an example of assertive sentence because this is a statement and this sentence declares something. So we will write A here. Now leave the premises right now. Again no subject is there. Okay, so subject is you, but that is hidden. So this is an example of imperative sentence. Okay, for that we will write I here. How melodiously the nightingale sings. So this is an example of exclamative sentence because how and what. Exclamative sentence generally begins with how and what. So this sentence begins with how. This is an example of exclamative sentence. Okay. Now exercise number B. For each of these sentences, put the correct punctuation mark in the box provided. Actually, we have to put punctuation marks at the end of the sentence, and for that space is provided here. So we have to use these spaces, and we have to write. First of all, we have to identify this sentence belongs to which sentence. Okay, what kind of sentence? When does school start? So now WH word again comes first. When does school start? This is an example of interrogative sentence. So we will put question mark. Okay, it is no use thinking about this. Actually this is assertive sentence, so we will put comma, full stop. Okay, you are going to be late for school. This is also an example of I am not ready for this. This is also assertive sentence. You are going to be late for school. This is also example of assertive sentence. So we will put full stop for both the sentences. Now sentence number 5. Did you knit that scarf yourself? So now this sentence begins with helping verb did. Okay, so we will put question mark. Okay, because this is an example of interrogative sentence. Now there are 40 students in the classroom. This is declarative sentence. Okay, this is statement. So we will put full stop. How silly of me to forget the train tickets. Actually this can be of two types. First exclamatory as well as interrogative. So we will exclamatory, if we take this sentence as a exclamatory, so we will put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now next exercise, read this passage and state the type of each sentence. Now we have to tell what kind of sentence is this. Okay, I do not consider myself to be a writer. This is negative sentence, but negative sentence is a part of assertive sentence, so this will be a assertive sentence. Second, however, I do believe that I would like to become one. This is also an example of assertive sentence. For that we wrote A here. I wonder if my dream will ever come true, because you can see that exclamation mark is there, so this will be an example of exclamatory. Okay, will my short stories ever be published? So this is because this sentence begins with helping verb will. This will be an example of interrogative sentence. I have no idea, assertive sentence. I plan to send my writings to a publisher. So this is a assertive sentence because we are asserting something here. So A for that. Do as your heart desires. This is an example of imperative. So we will write I am for imperative. These are my grandfather's words of wisdom. Assertive sentence. I have not forgotten any of his advice. Assertive sentence. Okay, this is an example of assertive sentence. Now next, fill in the blanks using assertive, exclamatory, interrogative and imperative sentence. Actually these are the dialogues of a few friends, so we have to do as directed. Okay, so now in first blank, actually Donald is telling that our taxi will not come back till evening and we are already done. Would it have been wise for us to have made the taxi wait till the work has done? Now it is Raghav turn, and Raghav has to use assertive sentence. So what Raghav will say? Raghav will say, I think so. Okay, so I think so. Please fill this blank with I think so. Okay, now Donald, you should have told me before I sent the taxi away. Now what Raghav will answer, and this will be exclamatory sentence. Okay, so we have to write seriously. How was I to know our work would get over so fast? So actually after seriously we will put exclamation mark. Okay, now Donald is saying that I thought you had a sense of these things. Okay, don't you have any idea about transport? And this should be interrogative, so we had to make it interrogative. Okay, now next Raga is telling, so you took me along because you thought I could help you with transport arrangements. Now Donald is telling, oh come on, relax, no need to get so worked up. Now Raghav is telling, I am not worked up. Okay, assertive. Raghav is telling in assertive sentence. Okay, I am not worked up. Now Donald is telling, it is your wish. I don't like being slowed down because of communication issues. Now Raghav should use exclamatory sentence, so you have to write okay, and then exclamation mark. Then Donald will say, nobody does, you are right. Now Raghav, now don't complain and get irritated. We have got to sort this out. Donald will tell how we are going to sort this. And interrogative, this sentence should be in interrogative. Okay, so that is why we wrote like this. Raghav, order a cab on mobile app. Donald, why should I? You do it. And this should be in imperative. Okay, so Raghav, I bet you need to relax more than I do. So my dear students of LPM Public School, first exercise of first chapter of class 6th I tried to solve before you. It was very easy, it was very simple. Through my video you can get everything what should be there, and please fill all your books. Watch my video. I just explained before you everything. So thank you very much watching my video. Thank you very much once again, and work hard and spend some more time on study. Thank you very much, students.